video, I'll show you how to create a video directly in Blackboard Ultra using the built-in Video Studio tool. You can add videos to your course content, assignments, discussions, and you can even provide videos as feedback while grading. So first, let's walk through how to record a video, save it, and make it visible to your students. Before we get started, I have a few quick tips that might help to make the process go more smoothly. First, try to find a quiet space, and if you can, use a good microphone to ensure your audio is clear. Close any unused applications or browser tabs to cut down on distractions and to help your computer run smoothly. Make sure that your browser is up to date and that it has permission to use your camera, microphone, and screen. If you need help with this, you can check the Troubleshooting Knowledge Base article for additional support. It's always a good idea to make a short test recording first to try out the tool and make sure everything is working properly. Once you've done that, you want to navigate to the place in your course where you want the video to appear. You can do this by hovering between existing items until you see the purple line with a plus sign. So I'm going to add mine right at the top of my course above the assignment regarding video submissions. I'm going to click that circle with a plus sign, and I'm going to go to the very bottom, and you'll see a new item here that says Record Audio Video. You can record using your camera, audio, your screen, both your screen and audio, or if you've got an existing video you'd like to upload, you can do that here as well. One important note is that Video Studio has a 20-minute time limit for recordings. If you need to record longer than 20 minutes, you'll want to record with an alternative tool and upload it using the Upload from Device button here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Audio and Screen for this example. Now I want to select the screen or tab that I'd like to share, and then I'm going to click that Share button. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration to show students how they can submit videos as part of an assignment or a discussion. So I have that tab already open in my web browser, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that article and then click Share. Now what this does is it opened that tab for me. So you can see I'm now on that tab in the browser. The other tab is the one that has Blackboard, and you'll see a little red circle icon indicating that it is recording. So this is what I want to use when I'm creating my recording, but before I can do so, I need to go back here and click Start Recording when I'm ready. So I'm gonna click Start Recording, but then I want to go back to this tab so that I'm recording in the right place. I'm gonna do a short video to demonstrate. So I get a countdown. While it's counting down, now I can start recording. So this video will show students how they can submit a video in an assignment or a discussion in your Blackboard course site. If you want to have students do so, you can share this article with them as well. When I'm done with my recording, I can either click Stop Sharing, or I can go back to the tab in Blackboard and I can pause the recording or end the recording. The upload process is very quick, so you can see it's already complete. Now I want to click here to enter a title for my recording, something meaningful that you'll know what it is. And then you're going to go ahead and click the Save Video button. By default, you'll see the video is here right at the top of my course content. That's where I chose to add it, and it is hidden from students. So what's nice about that is they're not going to see the video until you've had a chance to preview it, to check the captions, to ensure everything looks the way you'd like, and then when you're ready, you can make it available. So first I'm going to click right on the title of the video so that I can preview it. And here, to preview my video, I'm going to click this purple button in the bottom left. So you can see the video has already loaded and I already have captions. Sometimes captions may take a while depending on the length of your video. So now that I've previewed the video, I would go through and check out those captions, make sure those look appropriate, and then once I'm ready, I can make it visible to students. To do that, I can go to the upper right corner. You'll see it says Hidden from Students. I can click the drop down here and change that to visible, or I could have done it also from the course content. So if I click this red X and I'm back on the course content, I can make that visible to students here as well. If I'd like to change the name of the video, I would just go to this ellipses on the right hand side when looking at the video, and then choose Edit. I will click at the very top in the panel that opens on the right and give it a meaningful name. Once I click away, it captures that new name, and then I could come down and click Save. And now my video is visible to students. I've changed the name. This video tool works, as I mentioned, in many places, so it's just finding the tool that is a little bit different. So if you wanted to create an assignment and add the video to an assignment, you would do that the same way as you normally create an assignment. You would do that same plus sign. You would click Create. You would scroll down and choose Assignment. You would obviously give it a name, etc. And then here in the instruction text box, you'll have a toolbar at the top. The very last tool on the toolbar is that same icon for audio video, and it brings us to the exact same interface that we just used. So the process here for adding a video to an assignment is exactly the same as adding a video to your course content. I'm going to cancel my assignment, and I'm going to show you it's exactly the same if you were to create a discussion and you wanted to put it in the discussion prompt as well. So you'll see right here, there's your audio video tool, exactly the same interface if you want to add a video to a discussion prompt. And then the last place that I wanted to mention, although you can add it in other places, let's say for example you want to do an announcement. Let's click Create Announcement. The tool is there as well. So any interface that you're using inside of Blackboard, look at that toolbar. If you see that camera icon, it indicates that you can use that same Video Studio tool to send messages, to send announcements. In addition to adding videos to all of our content items, we can also provide videos as feedback to our students. So if you wanted to, you could provide video feedback to a submitted assessment. I'm going to go to Gradebook. I would find the student, find the assessment that I'd like to provide feedback on, click right on it and go to View. And then in the feedback panel on the right hand side, you'll notice in that text box it has a toolbar as well. And here's that icon, audio video recording, and I could click record, or I can turn on the camera here as well. So you can provide audio video feedback to your students, and in discussions, students could respond to each other with video, etc. So that's it. You've learned how to record, save, and share a video using Blackboard Ultra's Video Studio tool.